Oh, hello and welcome back to another episode of how I fry my hair at home. I'm just kidding. I hope so. Hi guys, so as I said previously, I want to dye my hair. I want to go dark again because I'm kind of bored of this color and I want to go dark again, you know. Oh my god. Okay. So since my how I dye my hair ombre hair at home, so since that video where I bleach my hair at home is my most viewed video, I want to do like the second part, but this is not really the second part because the second part will be me bleaching my hair again. But today I'm not bleaching my hair, I'm dyeing my hair dark. Makes no sense. Anyway, so yeah, I want to get rid of this color because, as I said, I'm bored and probably in 2 months I want to go blonde again. Wow. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure if I want to go dark again, but here I am. I'm going to do it today because it's been like 1 month since I bought those hair dyes and I really wanted to use them, but then I said, I'm going to wait a little bit. And I feel like I'm not gonna do it if I'm not doing it today. I hope I make sense. Anyway, so this is what I'm going to use in today's video, and as you can see, I bought 2 boxes. Not just I have a lot of hair. As you can see, I have like 3 hairs. I bought 2 boxes because also I bought a new set of hair extensions and I want to dye those as well. Today I'm going to use the L'Oreal Casting Creme Gloss in the shade chocolate. This is chocolate. This is the number 535 and they are the same color but the girls are different. Also the boxes are a little bit different. I don't know why. Also I bought this I don't know what this is. This is like to bring the color to life, but this is after you dye the hair. This is from Schwarzkopf, I don't know, and it says Reviva el color. So yeah, there's no English. Anyway, so this is more like a toner to use in the shower after you shampoo or before you shampoo. I don't even know. I'm not going to use this today. I'm just showing you what I got to keep the color vibrant and, you know, vibrant. And yeah, let's do this because I feel like I'm going to be here, you know, a million years. And as I said, I'm going to dye these extensions as well. These are very blonde, as you can see. They don't match my hair color, and that's why I want to dye them, because I want to wear hair extensions. I recently discovered Naomi John. Oh my god, I love her. Her videos where she dyes her hair, amazing. I'm not trying to be Naomi, by the way. So also I'm going to use this Vaseline. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to apply a little bit of this Vaseline on my forehead, on my ears, on the back of my neck, because as I said, I'm very messy dyeing my hair and I don't want to dye my skin, if that makes sense. So this will protect my skin, and I'm going to show you what we get in this box. This was €7.85 or so, I don't know exactly. And as you can see, this is already opened because I wanted to dye my hair like 2 weeks ago before New Year's Eve, but then I changed my mind and yeah, here we are. So this process is way much easier than bleaching your hair. When you bleach your hair, you want to be precise, you want to be more careful, but this is way much easier. I'm going to show you in a second. So we have the number 1, and this is the actual dye, and then we have number 2, and this is the developer. So you just mix 1 and 2, shake it very well, and then you apply that on your hair, and basically that's it. They also provide us with a hair conditioner, and I haven't seen this yet. I mean, I haven't seen this before because this is a colored conditioner and it smells so nice. So as you can see, it says hazelnut, conditioner with hazelnut. I'm curious if my other box has the same hair conditioner. Let's see. No. So yeah, as you can see, this is white, and I guess this is their new formula. I mean, it's the same color, but it's like an improved formula. I don't know exactly, I might be wrong. Oh, and I almost forgot, we have the instructions. I'm not going to read them. It says 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off, and basically that's it. We don't need instructions, right? I'm a little bit nervous. Oh, and they also provide us with gloves, but these are way too large for my small hands, so I'm going to use my own gloves because I do have gloves. My hair is a little bit messy because I wore my hair in a bun for about 2 days, and I don't know if you get this from wearing your hair in a bun, but my hair actually hurts. My hair hurts, my scalp hurts. So that's that. First I'm going to put my hair into a bun, and I want to move very quick because, as I said, this process is way much easier and faster than bleaching your hair. So first I'm going to apply this Vaseline. As I said, smells good, is yellow. And I want to scoop a little bit of that, and I'm going to scoop a little bit with this spatula. I also have this brush. This is not a spatula, what the heck. I also have this brush and this bowl to mix the ingredients, but I think I'm going to use this bottle. Ooh, it's gold. And as I said, I'm applying this Vaseline only because I'm too messy and I don't want to dye my skin, and this will protect my skin from the dye. That's why I'm using Vaseline. You can use whatever body cream you have, and don't forget to apply it on the back of your ear as well. So I'm going to work in 2 sections. First I'm going to do this section, and then I'm going to do this section. I don't know, but I'm going to work in 2 sections. So I'm going to clip this part, and next I'm going to mix our ingredients here. And as I said, I'm going to mix 1 and 2, shake it very well, and apply it on my hair. There. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this dye doesn't have ammonia in it, and that's why it doesn't stinks. It doesn't smell. It smells a little bit bad, but it doesn't smell like crazy ammonia scent, you know? That is so strong. That hurt. Okay, so first I'm going to start by applying this on the roots, and then I'm going to work it till the end. So I guess I'm going to speed this process because, as I said, it's super easy. You just apply the dye on your hair. You have to be careful to not get this on your skin because this will dye your skin, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm going to speed this process. It's super easy, and okay, so I'm going to let this sit for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it off. I'm going to use the conditioner, and I'm going to be right back to show you the final result. I do have this solution. This is to remove dye from your skin. So I think I'm going to take a cotton pad, and I'm going to try to clean a little bit this mess. Alright, so I just took a shower and I washed this off, and as you can see, my wall is wet. so wet. So I really hope the color is even. Let's see, it looked a little bit red-ish kinda. Let's see. I'm excited. Smells so good. That conditioner, that hazelnut conditioner, oh my god, smells so good. Whew, wow, it's so dark. I mean, in this lighting it's so dark, and I think the color is pretty even. I mean, I don't see any blonde hairs. So next I'm going to dry this a little bit, and I'm going to show you how this looks dry, I guess. I'm going to apply just a little bit of this serum on my end, just a pump. Smells so good. Alright, so this is the final result. Wow, yeah, so my hair is very frizzy, very puffy, as you can see. I'm going to show you like the color, how it looks. I think it's so pretty and it's even. I mean, from what I'm seeing, it looks even. What I usually do is just straighten my hair because I don't like this mess. I don't know how to work with this mess. I don't know how to blow dry my hair like straight. I don't know how to do that. Alright, so this is where it was blonde, and I guess it is a little bit lighter, just a hint lighter. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's not bad. Alright, so this is how the hair looks when it's straight, and as you can see, I do have a lot of I don't know if this is breakage or baby hairs that they are growing. Anyway, I do have a lot of those, and I don't know if you can see on camera, but it looks like I have highlights, like where the hair it was blonde. It looks a little bit light in this lighting. I mean, this is what I'm seeing right now in this lighting. Alright, so next I'm going to go and dye the extensions as well, and I'm going to change the angle, so let's do that. So this is the final result. I really love the color. As I said, I do see some highlights like where the hair was blonde. It looks a little bit more light in this lighting. This is what I'm seeing right now, but I really like it because it looks like it has a little bit of dimension. You know what I'm saying? That sounded very professional. Not really. And a quick disclaimer, I am not a hair professional, a hairdresser, hair stylist, whatever you want to call it. I am not, so probably I should put this in the beginning of the video. As I said, I do this at home at my own risk, and very professional, as you can see. Anyway, let me know down below, what do you think about the color? I mean, I really like dark hair. It was fun to have ombre hair for a while. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one on my YouTube channel. Fuck. Okay, you need to stop.